Imaginary number. It's actually square root of one, negative one. Now, any square root of any negative one, negative numbers are not impossible, because any square root of any negative number would be a positive answer. Because if you see, it has that relationship, no. So if 25 is if you square root 25, the answer could be plus or minus 5, because minus 5 times minus 5 is 25. But if we can't multiply two numbers and get a negative number, the same numbers. So rather than saying negative square root of negative 1, we just say I. It comes from in mechanical physics. It helps. If you use I, that's a straw graph. This is imaginary numbers, and this is real numbers R. So I helps in also turning 90 degrees. So if you go to 2 and turn 90 degree, it's called 2 plus, let's say 3, 3, 2, 1, and this is 1, and that's 2. So if you go to 2 and go to 3, the polar coordinates is 2 plus 3. 3 times you go straight up. So now you know everything. Now this is the biggest, everyone knows this, if you regard e to the I pi plus 1 equals 0. We don't know the answer to I, but this is Euler's identity. So pi is, the circumference by diameter. Now if now e to the I pi, this is, okay, so this angle is pi by 2, this is pi, this is pi 1 by 2, okay. So when we say e to the I pi plus 1 equals 0, we could say that e, that's 2.71, to the negative constant plus times 3.1415 plus 1 equals 0, okay. So even though every person knows, they don't know how it works. So if you actually, from this, other mathematicians has found a theorem that e to the I x equals cos of x plus the I sine of x. So it basically says, if you say e to the I times, let's say 2, this will be equal to cos of 2 plus I sine of 2. Now this is not impossible, because numbers above 1 cannot be found as a sine, because if you see, sine is the opposite over hypotenuse, and so if it's opposite over hypotenuse, if it's 2, then the number would exceed 180 degrees, and in a triangle you can't go above 180 degrees in one angle. So this is not possible. So what I was doing right now was trying to simplify that equation. So it will be e to the I pi e plus 1 equals 0. Then I made it e to the I pi equals negative 1, because you subtract 1 in each side. Then you do L, natural log of e to the I pi is equal to the natural log of negative 1, and then it becomes I pi is equal to the natural log of -1, and then I equals natural log of -1 by pi. That's
Correct.